what did Ginger do? Ginger got ready. Ginger brushed her teeth, got ready, all pretty. What now Ginger is thinking, today what gifts I will get? Today what snacks I can eat? What type of cakes, ice cream, what can I eat today? How many gifts my friends will give? What did Ginger do? Ginger quickly went to school. Ginger went to school and Ginger told all her friends, today is my birthday, and invited them to birthday party. Hi, my name is Ginger. Today is my birthday. Can you come to my birthday party? Ginger invited all her friends. Then all the friends agreed to come to party. Everyone is coming. Then one more friend is there. See, this is Ginger's friend Bob. Ginger's friend is sad. Why is Ginger's friend sad? Why is Bob sad? Because today is Bob's birthday also. Today is Bob's birthday also. Then what did Bob do? Bob said, I don't have party at home, so I am sad. Then what did Ginger do? Ginger, after going home, started thinking what I should do. Ginger went to their mommy and daddy and said, I want to celebrate birthday with Bob. Then what did Ginger do? Ginger asked mommy and daddy, I want to celebrate my birthday with Bob. Then what happened? Then evening, what did mommy and daddy do? Mommy and daddy decorated the room with so many sprinkles, birthday banners, so many chocolates, everything. Then what happened? All the friends came and they are ready to cut the cake. You know, on the cake table there are many pastries, ice creams, chocolates. So ready. Now Ginger came and sat on the table to cut the cake. What did Ginger do? Ginger said, today I will celebrate my birthday with Bob. Then Bob and Ginger, like friends, they cut the cake. Bob is also very happy, smiling and smiling. So they both celebrated birthday like a good friends. What is the moral of our story? A friend in need is friend indeed. You should always help your friends, okay? Okay? You have to help your friends and take care of them, okay?